Okay, so Panda-Frog is running a small 1250 giveaway I thought I'd make a video for. But first, if your name's not on this list and you think it should be, it could be that you forgot a word or something. That's Georgia Jim, Dusty and Wendy, The Locks Sportscast, and Reed Witt. If you did forget a word or something, you have until the 15th. Anyways, let's see. For Panda-Frog, we're supposed to pick the smallest lock we own. This is probably the smallest one. It's it was from one of my daughter's diaries back in the day, and but I don't know if it counts because, like, it's just it barely counts as a warded lock, in that, the only thing stopping you from turning something is the shape of this hole. There's no warding inside or anything. You just got to go and basically move two little metal paper clips apart that are in there, and then that pops open. So this would be that would be it for the video if that counts as your smallest lock. But I also have this, which comes from a Master Lock Model 15. This had been out in use for like 20 years or so, on my parents' storage unit, and had to get into it, and ended up cutting it off because I couldn't pick it at the time. I was super rusty. I hadn't picked in a long time. And also, if I go ahead and try to pick this open now, it's extremely crunchy. Let me see if I can get it open. Like, everything clicks multiple times as you're going through it, and you actually can just like bounce like this to get the pins into position sometimes. It's probably not going to open because it's on camera. Let's see. I'm not used to using a lot of force. Let me reset real quick. Might have overset something. Okay, so click from, it's a 5-pin lock, so click from there in the back, number 5. Number 3, I think that is. See, it didn't like go into, it was binding, but it didn't like click into at the shear line. It just kind of went up some, which, yeah, of course it's going to give me a hard time right now on camera. I did pick it before making the video, just to make sure that I could open it. Click from 4. Click from 3. I don't know if that counts as a click. Kind of a click from 2. 1 is springy still. 5, 4. 3. More clicks from 3, but like I said, it's just like so crunchy going up, and then a little tap from 1 to open that guy up. So this was a Master Lock Model 15 laminated lock. It is crimped in the back, so can't gut it. It does have 5 pins in it. Where is that? This way. So there's my 5 pins. But I cut that lock off, and then I tore it apart, and just to see what it was the first laminated lock I opened up, and I saved the core. But he said no destroyed locks. I don't know, maybe that's a destroyed lock. So I guess the next smallest one, it's not small because it's really long, but it's got the smallest keyway that I have. It's this Chicago cabinet lock, and so maybe this is the smallest lock I own. I don't know. I mean, depends how you look at it, right? So just to get all my bases covered, this guy has 4 pins, and I do have the keys for this one right here. Right there, 4 pins. And then this guy, all of them I can use this really fat Peterson 25,000ths hook 1 in. So the keyways aren't tight, even though they're small. So click from 4, click from 3, click from 2, and then 1 is up here, so it's a little bit hard to set 1 because it's really close. Okay, I don't know. Is he not set? 1 feels set. Something else not set. Something overset. Everything wants to be camera shy, doesn't it? 2. Or did I miss something in the back? No. Let's try it again. Everything wants to be camera shy. Okay, 4 in the back. Gotta click. 3, click. That was a really quick click from 3. 2, click. 1. And we're open. So, thanks Panda-Frog for running another giveaway. He said that the giveaways were kind of light right now. I know I'm at 90 subscribers, so that shot up really quick from 80 in like the past week. But you never know. Like I think the 10 before that took like a month. So when we get to 100, we'll probably do some sort of giveaway. So if you're watching, go ahead and subscribe to get it up there. And yeah, that's it. Thanks.